So the first video is how to customize your URL. So before we start going into explaining how to customize and why to customize your URL, I want to show you how to get to this view, and you do need to be on your desktop for this. Click on the Me icon and click on View Profile, and it will bring you to this page. It's kind of behind the scenes, and the reason and the clue is here actually with these little icons here. These are an indication that you can edit these sections. So it's a little pencil where you click on and you can edit those sections, and I'm going to talk you through how to edit and customize your profile. But first of all, let's start with the URL. So what is a URL? What does it stand for? Well, it's Uniform Resource Locator. What does Uniform Resource Locator mean? Well, it's a web address. So if you were to copy and paste this and put it into a search engine, you would find that account. Why do you need to customize it? Well, when you first set up an account with LinkedIn, you will get random letters and numbers in that link, and it's just not tidy, it's not neat, and you can't put it on your CV in that particular state, and you can't put it on a business card, and it wouldn't be professional to send it out in an email. So you need to customize it. So how do you do that? You click on Edit Public Profile and URL from this setting, and it will open a new window. To speed things up, I've already done this. If you click on the pencil here, this is the part of the URL you can edit and customize, and you can see there you go, it's a web address. The URL is simply a web address, and the last little bit is where you customize it. Most people will try to claim their name. So normally, and when I first set up my account, it would have been Dawn Moss, but now I've chosen to end with my keyword interview coach, and I'll explain keywords later on in a different video. So this is how you would customize it. Try and claim your name. There are 675 million accounts now on LinkedIn. Yep. Not quite as many as TikTok, where there's 2 billion. So you've still got an opportunity on LinkedIn to get found, and that's what this training course is all about, is getting found. So setting up your profile is helping you to get found. So the first thing you need to do is customize your URL. So there you go. There's how to customize your URL, why you would customize your URL, and what it is. So another couple of tips is don't use your date of birth or year of birth in that link. Try to avoid using sensitive information. But there you go. That's how to customize your URL.